What was the toughest part of being Sita Devi for you while shooting the film?
I don't think there was any really particularly tough part. Every day had its challenges, being honest.
Like what? Give me an example. First thing I can think of is your body language because you're like,
Yes, I'm super energetic. I'm a very vivacious person, like the pragya that is. I'm very, very vivacious, very energetic, very bubbly, like that. But I think we had too much inspiration around, you know. I think the dialogues, the scenes that were written, they were so beautiful. You read your lines, you're not yourself anymore. You know, I think everybody was so inspiring during the shoot. The reptile.
are you scared of reptiles? Is lizard a mortal fear for you?
Really scared. Came here, I like kissed me and went. Why are you laughing? Not so funny. Just a very scary lizard. Yeah.
Why would Sita Devi be scared of anything?
That's the dialogue in the film. Did you notice? You don't remember?
See, you take back something from the film. So maybe that was my
You should have taken much more. Okay, let's see. Let's see now. So, talking about the film, how you said that what was the toughest part? I don't think there was anything in particular. Every day had its own challenges and all of that. But at the same time, every day we had a lot of help in terms of a fabulous, fabulous team, fabulous script. I think Krish sir is so driven that he drives the entire team. He takes everybody to a different world in just the way he talks. Okay, now we are doing like something else. So everybody is already like, oh wow, we're doing something else. Then the dialogues were written so beautifully, like you don't hear such things anymore. The dialogues, the songs, the sets. The moment I would enter the set, I would see the people in this thing. I would not be in 2015 anymore. I remember one time I got a call from my father. This is not when we were shooting in the village. This is the first schedule when we were in Hyderabad. This is when we were shooting the initial parts where I'm at home. Their beautiful set that they had created, which is like a very palatial kind of a house, beautiful house. The lighting was done in such a way that it doesn't feel like today's world anymore, you know. I remember we got lunch break. So I came out of the set and I'm walking towards the van and my staff, somebody came and gave me, ma'am, your phone. I saw my father's calling. I answered, but when he's like, hi beta, how are you? I couldn't understand. Like for 30 seconds, it took me like, I think 20 to 30 seconds to understand, oh, this is my father in real life. And he's talking to me in English. Because there was Telugu day and night and Sita Devi and my lines and my all of that, like intense scenes. And I was fully into it, you know. So when my father called me, it's like, hi. Hi dad, I'm good. What happened to you? Can't you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. My father kept saying, I'm like, yes, Papa, I can hear you. I'm doing great. But that time, I couldn't even explain to him what happened. You know, now when I look back, I realize that I think we were all so into it that for all of us, like, you know, we did not need any external factor to inspire or motivate us. We were also into the film, into the character, in that whole environment, you know. It was difficult for all of us to be like, when I went back to Bombay also, I would still be like, it would take me at least a day to like come back, meet my friends, to come back to like normal life and meet my friends and go out and do normal things. A little blouse and it's so cold, Everyone is wearing jacket and a jacket and a jacket and cap and a scarf. Edit this.